This is Cosmic Vision Activation, where healing happens effortlessly just by listening. Inspired by Universal Secrets of Telecosmic Power by Anthony Norvell. This activation harnesses the limitless energy that flows through all creation, restoring clarity and strength to your vision. There is nothing you need to do, simply listen, receive, and allow the transformation to unfold. Entering the telecosmic field. There exists an intelligent force, so vast, so infinite, that it governs all of existence. The telecosmic power. The energy that moves the stars, that guides the planets, and breathes life into every living thing is also within you. Science confirms what the ancient masters already knew. Everything in the universe is energy vibrating, shifting, responding to consciousness and belief. And that means your vision, your body, and your entire being are not fixed. They are living, evolving energy fields capable of transformation. Right now, you are aligning with this power. Right now, you are activating the original blueprint of your vision. There is nothing you need to do. Just listen, observe these words. The telecosmic power is already moving within you. Aligning with the cosmic energy field. Everything around you, every atom, every molecule, every particle of existence exists in a field of pure energy. Science calls it the quantum field. Spiritual traditions called it the universal mind, the divine presence, the source of all creation. But no matter what name you give it, one truth remains. You are already connected to this limitless cosmic intelligence. You do not need to try to align with it. You are already one with it. Just by listening, you are activating your direct link to this infinite healing force. Your vision is already shifting. Your cells are already responding. Your telecosmic power is moving through you right now. Charging your eyes with a golden light. Light is fundamental force of life. Ancient traditions have always described golden light as the highest vibration of pure consciousness, the divine intelligence that sustains all existence. Science confirms that light is energy. It carries information, power, and life-giving frequencies. And that means this golden cosmic light is not just an image. It is real. It is moving through you right now, pouring into your vision, activating every cell, every nerve, every fiber of your eyes. There is nothing you need to visualize. There is nothing you need to create. This golden light is already here, already flowing through you. Your eyes are absorbing the highest frequency of light. Every cell in your vision is alive with cosmic intelligence. The healing has already begun. Releasing old limitations and resetting vision. Your mind and vision are deeply connected. Neuroscience has proven that the brain does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. This means that as you listen, your body responds as if this transformation is already happening. And so the command has been given. All the limitation no longer exist. Past strain, doubt, and fatigue are dissolving right now. Your vision is not just a biological process. It is an energetic expression. It is responding to this activation. Everything unnecessary is melting away. Everything pure, strong, and clear is taking its place. Strengthening and commanding your vision. Your vision is not fixed. It is malleable, adaptable, alive. Modern physics tells us that at the subatomic level, everything is energy, constantly shifting, constantly responding to intention. Einstein equation, energy equal mc squared, proves that matter and energy are interchangeable, which means that your thoughts, your belief, and your focus are not just ideas. They are the very forces shaping your vision. And right now, your vision is being realigned, restored, and strengthened. You are not merely observing reality, you are creating it. Your sight is not just biological, it is energetic, and energy can be transformed. The telecosmic power has already shifted your reality. The work is already done. Locking in the activation. This is not just a process, it is an awakening. The telecosmic power is real, not just as an idea, but as a force governing all existence. Science and ancient wisdom both reveal that the universe is energy, vibrating, shifting, expanding. Your eyes, your body, your entire being are part of this great symphony of creation. And here is the key. You are not a passive receiver of energy. You are its conductor. Every thought you hold directs the current of your reality. Every belief you embody shapes the structure of your being. Your vision is already healing. Your sight is already aligning with cosmic perfection. There is nothing left to do. Take a deep breath and anchor this knowing into your heart. The work is already done. Now, simply go forward, live, see, trust. Know that your vision is renewed, strengthened, and perfectly aligned with the limitless force of the cosmos. And so it is. I am one with infinite cosmic vision. My eyes are healed, whole, and radiant with divine power. Welcome to I Am